Welcome to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Austin Hilton. If you're not familiar with me, I have another YouTube channel that is under my name, Austin Hilton, and I also create and support the ClearCryptos YouTube channel and create educational content for you and for others, obviously, who are interested in learning more about how to be successful in crypto. And that's what this video is about. So if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below. Subscribe here to ClearCryptos because you really need to. There's a lot of educational content coming from me, from other content creators, with one goal in mind. It's to empower you and help you understand and navigate crypto better. Okay, and hit that like and that subscribe button below if you would. Okay, so what is this video about? This video is about trying to give you some guidance into really how to be successful in crypto. And I want to talk about one key word, and that word is diversification, okay? And if you don't really know what that means, the simplest way to think about diversification is, what it really means is don't put all of your money into one crypto. That's really all it means, okay? Now, there is a bigger picture here. I'm a huge fan and huge advocate of not being invested in just crypto, by the way, okay? So from a diversification standpoint, my wife and I, we invest in stocks and mutual funds and bonds and ETF funds. We invest on that side of the street as well. We also have crypto holdings, and so that's a diversification strategy of crypto and the other side, right? The stock side and mutual fund and all bonds and things like that. So that's a part of a diversification strategy. Again, by the way, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Just do with this as you will. Just trying to give you a little bit of info and help here, if you will. Okay, so back to crypto and a diversification strategy in crypto. Here's what it really comes down to. Again, my advice, not investing advice, take it or leave it, right? And this is how I do it. This is really what I'm saying, is that I don't put all my money into one crypto. Okay, I'm diversified across multiple cryptos, and I'm going to give you a very simple way to think about this. Okay, so let's say you have $10,000. The numbers are relevant. It's $1,000, 10,000, or more, or less, or whatever. But I want to give you kind of a ratio here. Okay, so let's just say you have $10,000. A real simple way to be diversified in crypto is to put, say, 50 to 60% of that $10,000 that we're talking about putting into crypto. Put 50 to 60% in the top two cryptos that are out there, and that's Bitcoin and that's Ethereum. Okay, so and the ratio is up to you. Let's say you want to do 25% and 25% in Bitcoin and Ethereum respectively. By doing this, you are investing in the two biggest cryptos that drive the entire crypto market, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, and yes, you don't have to buy an entire Ethereum. You don't have to buy an entire a Bitcoin, right? So let's just say we put 50%. Okay, out of our 10,000, we put that in Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, now you're already diversified. You're in Bitcoin and Ethereum. You're in two cryptos. So then what I would say from there is, and these ratios are up to you, but maybe the next 20%, so now from 50 to 70%, I would spread that 20% along some of the other top, say, 15 cryptos. So that could be, an example would be like Cardano, Polkadot, Solana, some of those guys, right? So diversify, so take that $2,000 in this scenario. Remember, we're going from 50 to 70%. Take that money, okay, and just diversify it across those. So maybe split it up around 5 or 6 cryptos in that kind of second block, if you will. Okay. Now what you can do, so now you've allocated for 70%. You're really diversified now. You own Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you own maybe 5 or 6 others, okay? And by the way, you're still only playing in the top 20 cryptos. These are really the market leaders, the blue chips, if you will, of the crypto. So now what you can do is you can take another 20%, which would you from 70 to 90%, and you can go, okay, here's where you can kind of get creative. Maybe if you want to invest, hey, Austin, I want to maybe invest in metaverse projects, or I want to invest in NFT projects, or I want to invest in, maybe like some other types of verticals, like maybe gaming cryptos. And you can allocate and kind of break it up along those lines, okay? Or you can just say, hey, I'm going to maybe now go outside of the top 100, and I'm going to maybe invest in some, cryptos that are maybe overall market capitalization of 100 to 200. So they're the top, and they're still in the top 200 cryptos. Maybe you want to do some of that. Okay. And then for the last 10%, if you want to have some fun, maybe, and if your risk threshold is in line with this, go put a little bit of money in some brand new tokens that are coming out and spread it around. Maybe $100 in this one, $100. I'm talking about brand new, maybe community tokens that are coming out, meme tokens that are coming out, things of that nature. Again, not investing advice. I'm just giving you some insight, just giving you some input, right? That's how you can now be diversified. And oh, by the way, you're having a little bit of fun over here with this last 10%. And again, if it was me, I'd put like $100 in each of those brand new ones that are coming out. Maybe put a 7 or 8, do 7 or 8 of those. Okay, they're small little bets, but they could pay off. Okay. So that's what I got for you from a diversification standpoint. Again, this is how I do it, and it's worked really well for me. And take that as you will. Thank you for your support of the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below, hit that like button below. There are links down below to all of the ClearCryptos socials as well as their websites, and you should definitely check that out as well. I'll see you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.